Good day everyone, this is Cody, and in today's video we'll be talking about Celeste, and I'll be telling you guys exactly how Celeste works, how you can earn on Celeste, whether Celeste is legit or scam, and exactly how I've been able to make over 2 million on this particular website. So let's go straight into the video without wasting much of your time. So before we get started, I would like you to watch this video from the beginning to end. I have a gift for you at the end of this video, so you would like to stay to the end of this video to get this gift, and also so you'll be able to grab every single information I drop for you here. So let's go straight into it. Firstly, what is Celeste? Celeste is a website where you can earn through answering survey questions and posting on your Telegram and uploading pictures. So basically you perform these simple activities on Celeste and you earn from them. Now mind you, these activities in turn help Celeste make or generate more revenue, so you are not performing taxes aimlessly. You understand? Every single thing that you are told to do on the platform, you are doing it for a reason, which helps the platform generate revenue that they can use to pay you. So let's go straight to the next one. Now, what's the name of this website? The name of this website is Celeste. Now, to get access to this website, all you have to do is to go to your browser right now, browse celeste.com.ng. Once you browse it, it will open up and you will appear on the site. All you have to do is to input your details, register, and you get access to the site immediately. Now, let's go straight to business. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can earn on Celeste. So I'll be breaking down the earning structure on Celeste so that you can know how you can earn on Celeste and how to maximize your earnings on Celeste. Now we'll also be talking about how Celeste makes money. Like I said, you are not performing all these activities aimlessly. Your activities help the platform generate revenue to pay you. So that's basically how it works. And the next one, we'll be talking about how to earn even more on Celeste, because there are several ways they can earn on Celeste which are even unspoken. So I'll be explaining and I'll be opening your eye to a lot of ways that you can earn on Celeste. Now the next one is the gift that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. You'll be getting a gift at the end of this video, so make sure you stick to the end. Watch this video, don't skip the video, watch it from the beginning to the end so that you get every single information that you need to know about Celeste, so that you'll be able to register and make good money for yourself. Let's keep going. Now firstly, I will be talking about the earning structure on Celeste. So let's go into my group right now. So right now, this is my group right here. We'll be starting with the Celeste Max feature. Now this Max feature is a higher package on Celeste, so let me break it down for you right here. To get access to this package, you pay a one-time payment of 14,500 to get registered. Immediately after registration, you get a welcome cashback of 12,000. If you refer anyone to this package, you get a commission of 12,700. Although referral is not compulsory, I do recommend you actually referring anyone if you can. And if the person you refer any other person, you are getting 400 and 100 respectively. Each comedy video that you watch and review, you get 2 euros, which is equivalent to 4,000 naira per video. Now added to that, you also earn 10,000 naira per TikTok live stream, 2,000 naira per 10 videos you upload on the site, and 1,000 naira per view you get on your Telegram post. Now every single task that you're doing here, or every single activity you're doing here, Celeste will recommend you to do them, and then once you do them, you get a certain commission from that. That's how Celeste works basically. So let's go straight to the next one, which is the Celeste Lights feature. Now this Celeste Lights package is the smaller package which everyone can get access to. It is a lower level package which you can actually get access to with a one-time payment of 8,500. Immediately after registration, you get a cashback of 7,000 naira directly to your account, and if you decide to refer anyone on this package, you get 7,000 naira directly to your account. Added to that, if the person that you refer refers any other person, you get 300 naira directly to your account. Now for each comedy video that you review on this particular package, you get 1 euro, which is equivalent to 2,000 naira per video. So each video you watch, you get 2,000 naira. Now added to that, you also earn 5,000 naira per TikTok session, 2,000 naira per 10 pictures upload, and 1,000 naira per view you get on your Telegram post. Like I said before, each of these activities are recommended by Celeste. All you have to do is to go into your dashboard, perform the various activities available for you to do, and you get paid directly to your account. Now I've explained every single thing you need to know about Celeste earning structure. Let's go straight to the next feature. Now the next thing we talk about in this video is how Celeste makes their money. So let's go straight into it. Now Celeste makes their money through so many ways, like through Facebook monetization, YouTube monetization, and basically social media monetization and other features. Amongst all this, Celeste also makes money through product research. Now Celeste is like a vendor who works for lots of companies, and what they do is basically they help these companies with market research, which helps these companies build or create high quality products for their customers. So the questions that you are being asked on this platform are not random questions. They are questions relating to products and services that you use or you might have come across before. All you have to do is to perform the various tasks, answer the various questions, and you get paid for providing valuable information to Celeste. How can you earn more on Celeste? If you want to earn more on Celeste, you can join me and my team. On my team, I have prepared a well-detailed guide and mentorship where I will properly guide you exactly how I was able to make my first 1 million on Celeste. So I've coached a lot of students on this Celeste and they have been making crazy amount of results. Here are some results from my students. This is Jen right here, who has made over $5,000 on this Celeste. He has changed his life. You can see the screenshot right here. Let's move on. This is Clinton right here. He made over 2 million on this platform, or let's say basically $2,000. This is Debbie right here. She has made over 1 million on this particular platform. And yes, you actually earn in dollars and you withdraw in naira. So you earn in euros or in dollars and you withdraw in naira. So you earn and withdraw to your local bank account. So don't get it confused. Now this is another payment of $200. This is Clinton right here when he started up. You can see right here he started up with $200 and you can see his growth right here up to $2,000. So that's very massive. This is another of my students. You can see how grateful he was, and this is a withdrawal proof from me, as you can see right here. To get registered on Celeste and join my students, all you have to do is to click on the first link down in the description. It will take you to my DM on Telegram where you can get registered and actually start making good money on Celeste. Now let's move on. Now, like I said in the beginning of this video, I have a gift for you. Now right here, this is the gift. This is a discount registration available for those of you that have watched this video from the beginning to the end. So if you have watched this video to this point, all you have to do is to go down to the description, click on the first link right there where it says message me on Telegram. You can also click on the Linktree link right there to message me on WhatsApp in case you don't have Telegram. Once you message me, you inform me that you came from this video, and I'll register you at a discount of 13,000 naira for the max package and at a discount of 7,000 naira for the light package. So all you have to do is to come to my DM, inform me that you are here for the discount, and I'll get registered at discount immediately. You also join my team and you also be part of my community where I'll be able to hold your hand and teach you exactly how to make money on Celeste. So click on the link down in the description, the first link right there, get registered and message me. If you gain value for this video, please do well to like, subscribe, and also comment if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.